What is up? It is your Wear Stuff Daddy here doing another unboxing video as I tear into this box. Pretty little box. Something I ordered, what, like a week ago?
Every man likes a pretty little box.
We've got some cards, some paperwork. I swear you two are immature as hell.
She started it.
And he started it.
She started it.
He wouldn't fix my oven.
I think they upgraded my blade.
That is Chris's butt toy.
So now, if I find where they tape this, I can tear off the tape.
Kind of like waxing. Oh man, that's her once. I had someone wax right there when I got a haircut.
What the hell did I just do with the knife? Oh, right there.
What'd you do with your nuts?
With my knife.
It's so big they fell around the floor. He's got a little hand cart that holds behind him. They carried it for him. Like his dad.
You ever see the movie Johnny Dangerously? Oh, I think it's fucking hilarious. You'd be rolling.
Jesus.
It's an old one though. That's kind of old.
I gotta give it to Ultrasabers. They know how to pack these things, but damn, they make it impossible sometimes to open these.
Christopher, does it pop your bubble?
You gotta be smarter than the plastic top to open
Christopher,
it.
does it pop your bubble?
Oh, you're gonna open it. Mother's gonna open it.
She's gonna stick your bubble. Stick a knife in your bubble. Look at
Does
she's
it pop your bubble?
She's knifing your stick.
Got paper on you.
Where?
Okay.
Where?
Oh yeah, use the knife to point it out. So Chris, did you go and attack the pussy out in the front yard last night?
Fuck
No, but your girlfriend was here.
Huh?
Your girlfriend was here again.
Mine wasn't.
No. I'm telling you. Big ass bitch too. You better do something about her.
you. Mother, this is supposed to be my unboxing.
Put her on a diet or something.
But yeah, you're not smart enough to use a knife on plastic, so she's gonna do it for you.
Hey, I had to use your dad's dick out to help her sometimes, you know? Because I just don't pay me this stuff.
You guys are both.
That's
You
why.
guys
That's why you came about, Christopher, because of rubber burst.
in the back seat of the car.
No, actually, it was on
Probably in Edsel.
It was on the couch. Actually, it was in a nursing home that we were building. So it was in an old.
Chris got conceived in a nursing home.
Ugh.
Ah, yep.
Red button like ass. Let's get a close up. Red button.
Did you see the previews to the last one? Or the new one? They had them on previews yesterday.
This here is the dark, I don't want to say it's initiate. I can't remember the exact name. They're sitting here popping bubble wrap.
It does not take much for a bunch of old people to figure shit out and have fun. It's just a matter of twisting until it goes. Ah! I done twisted on it. I didn't, it slipped down my hand.
Let's see what color it is. It's
that what
red,
she
so
said
it's probably
too?
orange or red.
That slipped out her hand.
That's a beautiful
Chris saw the
red.
text. Did I show you the text she sent me?
And look at that, the window emitters.
No. Nope.
It looks white on screen with a red
Chris saw
outline,
it.
but it is pure red. I'll see if I can't
Remember I
get it
told
close.
you she came over that Sunday morning after her daughter left?
Nope, can't.
Oh, that's a damn fart. Oh, he's farting.
I love this thing. I ordered this like
You better put
last
this on
week
the
on
internet.
Thursday.
You better put this on the internet.
I am.
No way. You better cut some stuff out.
I can't cut stuff out. It's not on my laptop, and my laptop's broken.
We're going to take and get it fixed.
Anyhow, look for a review of this here in the next day or two, because fuck it, I get bored
Yeah, let
sometimes.
me see.
Ow,
Works just
ow,
fine. Want to see?
ow.
Yep, works just like it's supposed to.
Give me it back.
Well, you said look for the review, so I gave it a review. It worked. You see that?
Beautiful saber, nice aluminum build.
Read the top
Or
one.
not
in the
aluminum,
gray.
but aircraft aluminum
You
build.
made me call like 3 times. No, didn't like it a lot.
That was
That's because it
sorry.
should
That
have
was
been a
sorry.
little